Here we go. Look at this. That is insane. Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where today you join me for what is going to be a fun day here. I always say it's going to be fun, but on this channel we like to have fun, don't we? And today I am out and about with my all new Mark 8 Golf R. Should I just say Golf R? I seem to say Mark 8 quite a lot, but let's just say Golf R. But today is well, we've done the dyno run. We found out this car has more power than what it says. We've done the exhaust, and now I did say that things were going to get a little bit spicy from there, and it's all going to make sense in this video because we are heading to Urban Automotive, and these are the guys who did my mods on my RS6, transformed it from a stock car to something which looked pretty epic, and these guys are going to be going to town on this car. And these wheels, this is the subject as well of today, but basically I said when I bought this car, I like them, they're okay, but I just don't know, I like to customize things, and what we need to do is get those wheels off and get a set of aftermarket wheels on them. And today we're going to go and see the options of this and other stuff as well, because you might be aware that this car is not a performance car. This is a very stock car, and I went for the cheapest kind of Golf R on the market, really, of the Mark 8, and I wanted to mod it. I wanted to do it because I like bringing the content to you guys, and I wanted to basically start this car from well, which is a very stock looking car, and take it to something mad modified, and that's what we're doing. And basically, so we've already done the Miltech Sport exhaust tips on the back, and that's given us this sort of feature of these very nice sort of tips, and that gives it a lot more look. A lot of people are saying that well, they look, you know, very big. These, I mean, you can get your whole fist in there if you really want. So that's that. And then I said that we were going to go on to different things as well. So wheels, aftermarket wheels, that's one thing, but this needs other things as well. So this car specifically needs to have splitters, everything. That's what it's missing. I feel that this is something like down here, my RS6, we had different things. So today at Urban, what we're going to do is this car is being scanned. It's getting scanned for a full carbon body kit on it, in terms of splitters, side skirts, rear part and everything. And then also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be choosing the wheels which are going on this car. And you may be aware I had Vossen wheels on my RS6. The Vossen wheels are going on the Golf R, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to go and choose them and make a decision on what we're going to do. But interesting, and I'm going to show you the process, because obviously this car today is being scanned by the guys at Urban Automotive to have a body kit on it, and then it will just completely look different, because at the moment when you see it, it looks so stock. And for me, as you know, I like to change things up, and it really does need to be changed. I never keep anything stock if I can, you know, and that's basically what we're doing. And I love a project. Start with it, have a vision, go through with it, and see what it looks like at the end. So let's head in to Urban. We're just around the corner, and let's get going. I'm buzzing for this. We're inside here at Urban, and I'm going to give you a little tour what we have here, and then I'll show you, because the Golf R is on the ramp and it's having measurements done, and then we're going to be doing the laser part and everything else. So let's go, we'll go and see that in a sec, but let's have a little tour, because there's always amazing stuff here at Urban. As you can see, it's completely full, and very cool that the Golf is going to be sort of the next car which they're going to be doing as well. So exciting stuff. But let's have a little walk around at what we have here. Lots and lots and lots of Range Rovers, as you can imagine, but this is crazy stuff happening everywhere. Look at this G-Wagon which we have. We do like the G-Wagons, don't we? That is something which we are a massive fan of. And then if we walk a little bit further this way, we have Defenders, we have an SLS, which is very, very nice as well. I'm always a fan of these. Tom's always raving about his one. We have just a lineup here of just different, obviously, Defenders and all sorts. We have a Rolls which is there, which is getting some stuff done. And then what we have at the back is we have an RS6, because what is happening is they're going to be making a carbon kit as well, their own carbon kit for the RS6 also. So that's something which is going to be coming shortly. Oh, look at this, we have an RSQ8. I do like the RSQ8. And with this, it's got the Vossen wheels on it as well, as you can see. I think the RSQ8 is mega. Some people think, oh no, I'd rather have an Urus, but this is a lot cheaper, same performance. And then we have lots of other cars which are just in here, as you can see, lots going on in here. What we have up here is the Golf. So what we're doing all the measurements at the moment. So yeah, every single measurement you can imagine on the clearance for the caliper, etc. So then the wheels fit perfectly, when obviously in this video you're going to see the wheels I've chosen. But that's one thing which we do just to make sure. So with Vossen, you just check that every kind of thing is perfect. Yeah, we're going to be going for 20 inch, so 20 inch wheels to really fill this gap here. And then obviously with the carbon kit, when we're measuring that out, what we're going to be doing with that as well is that it will have a carbon splitter which is there. It will have the side skirts which will go just down there, and then we're hoping that it's going to have a much bigger rear diffuser. So this car will have a much bigger rear diffuser, which will be good, and that will make a massive difference to the back there. Oh look, how cool is this? Now we've got my new exhaust system on the back. Look at that, all fresh. Oh, all fresh underneath there. That is very cool, isn't it? Yes, as you can see, doing everything to make sure that this car is all measured up properly, and all the little notes and everything, and then we'll be ready to go in terms of for the wheel clearance, and then obviously the laser machine and everything else. But it's just cool to see this car already. It's only week 2 of owning it. We got it on the ramp. Pages and pages and pages. So basically everything is perfect for the wheel fitment, because obviously this is such a new car. Vossen, they haven't done these wheels for this car yet, so they're basically just trying to get everything perfect for the fitment. Obviously the wheels, they've got the wheels, but just making sure they fit bang on. Hub clearance, everything, just pages and pages and pages. So that's going to be nearly done, and then we're going to the laser. But wait till you see the Vossens which I've chosen. By the way, how nice is the colour on this urban car? I love that blue. That could be a potential colour for the Golf R, ladies and gentlemen. Comment below. What do we think? Is that a potential colour in the future? I want to do something to it, but I don't want to ruin it. So maybe that, or the purple, you know, the Inositech purple, like the dark purple, which you sometimes have on the RS6. That could be an option, because I think it just needs to be something subtle with the Golf. I do really like that. Or I have said the khaki green. Same sort of colour as my 11 degrees jumper, maybe. We're just scanning the car, as you can see. Here we go. Look at this. That is insane. That's mad. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Let me go further up. And then it just saves all of this, all the data that we need, this little device here. And then we have another device which is just here as well, but it is all being overlaid. It just picks it all up for the carbon diffuser. That is just the coolest thing I've seen. It's not heavy, is it?
No, it's, I mean, it can get heavy when you're holding it out at arm's length over a Range Rover, but
yeah,
you get used to it.
Wow.
There you go, that's saving all of that information. So then when we come
to building the kit, they got all of it, and it all comes from this little funky device. That is literally the coolest thing I've seen in a very long time. I mean, I want one of them. Look at that. Insane. So now it is time to show you the wheels. Yes, wheels. This is the bit when it gets really exciting, because Vossen, they did my RS6, and now I'm getting Vossens for the Golf R. And we're thinking around about 10 days. Fingers crossed 10 days we can get the Vossens on the car. That is the plan. But let me walk you through, because this is where I showed you when I chose my RS6 wheels. So it's very exciting to be back here. And yeah, these are the wheels that I had on my RS6, as you can see. My ones were satin black, and what we've gone for on this car, no, I'm only winding you up. I had the option to go for something like that, but well, let's actually have a look at what else we have. It's not going for those. It would look okay, but not going for those. I think that's actually the same. Might be completely wrong, but I do kind of like that with the black with the sort of silver as well. These still look very, very good as well. And these are the Vossen HF5 wheels, and I think these are absolutely perfect. We're going to be putting these on the car, and my car is going to have 20-inch on it as well, 20-inch wheels on it, so that's going to be really, really cool. So the HF5s, I really like it, and we're not going to have a concave, they're going to be flat, I believe. That's the way it will work on the Golf R. So flat HF5 wheel from Vossen, and we're going to do it in a little bit of a different colour as well, in gunmetal grey. And a lot of you guys say it to me, you always have the same looking cars and you always have the same looking wheels. Do something different. Well, Lloyd and me, Lloyd's one of the main guys here at Urban with the modification side, and he was like, let's do something a little bit different. So we're going to go for sort of a gunmetal kind of grey on my black car. So I think it'll look good. I think it'll look really, really good, because I want to mix it up a bit, and I think we don't want to lose the wheel in the car. So I think, yeah, we're going to try that, and we're going to see. Let me know what you think. I think that's good. Will look good. So it's time to head on my way. It's been a really cool day and buzzing for those new wheels and also the carbon. So the carbon, we're thinking, is going to be a little bit longer, roughly 6 to 8 weeks before that's going to be on this car, because it's obviously customized, etc. But the wheels, fingers crossed, it's around about 10 days time. But what I'm really excited about is how this car is going to be completely transformed. I'm just buzzing for that, because how it is now is still cool, but like I said, I'm going to town on it. I ruin every car, but I'm not ruining it here. I think we're going to do it really well, and yeah, just buzzing to get those Vossen wheels on the car and just really make it something different and something which is my own in terms of personalising it, but buzzing. But I hope you guys have liked it. I'm really enjoying making the Golf R content, really excited for the journey of it and where it's going to end up and how it's going to look very, very shortly. But like I say, I wasn't going to be messing around with it, and haven't even had it 2 weeks, and I've been here, there and everywhere just doing mods, and it's fun. Leave your comments down below, guys. I hope you've had a good day. I hope you had a good day. I hope you have had a good day, but I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out Urban, Vossen, etc. All details are down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you very soon.